Alright, so in this video we want to see how we can install the text editor or the IDE. Now the text editor that we're going to be using throughout this course is going to be Visual Studio Code. Now I'm going to provide you guys with an alternative to Visual Studio Code that is going to be Code Blocks. Now to install Visual Studio Code, you want to open up your favorite browser and navigate to code.visualstudio.com/download. Now of course here, if you're on a Windows machine, you want to click on this first link. If you're on a Linux, think about the second link. If you're on a Mac, you're going to think about the last option. Now of course, installing Visual Studio Code is not very difficult, so you guys are just supposed to follow the on-screen instructions. So I'm not going to install Visual Studio Code because I already have mine up and running. So what you want to do is to follow the on-screen instructions, and that is not going to be very difficult. Now the second alternative, or the second option, is going to be to use Code Blocks. Now to use Code Blocks, you want to navigate to codeblocks.org/download/binaries. Now of course here you're supposed to select your environment. If you're on a Windows machine, you want to go for the first link. If you're on a Linux machine, you want to go for the second link. And then if you're on a Mac, you want to go for the last option. Now, of course, if you click on, I'm currently on a Windows. So of course, I'm going to click on the first link and I'm going to, be presented, by this page. Now here you want to look for the option that is going to have, the version that is going to have the MINGW. All right, now what this is going to come with is the MINGW toolkit that is going to have the GCC compiler that we're going to use to compile our C code. Now with this in place, you don't have to install the MINGW toolkit. Of course, this is going to be an IDE. It is going to come with everything. All you just have to do is to write your C code. Now, of course, in the next video, we're going to see how we can install the MINGW toolkit lest you installed, if you installed the Visual Studio Code, because the Visual Studio Code is going to be a lightweight text editor and it is not going to come with the GCC compiler. We'll see how we're going to load that up and write our C code.